going to this channel on the other side of the island, and then to a place called Big Bay. There's a community there and a general store, so we're thinking we might be able to pick up some supplies, ice and whatever. So, and water, we need water, fresh water, so we'll pull in there, and there's some community docks and a little marina in there, so maybe we can, yeah. Hi folks, John. This is Big Bay Resort. This is the inner harbor. Just give you a panorama. We're on the dock. I've been told there's showers and all that stuff here. This is the public dock. So that's Big Bay. I believe that's Stewart Island. And we're going that way, out here, and we're gonna go to... We're following the plan. We just read the tides wrong this morning. I asked somebody else to read them for me. He was wrong. So I guess that learn by your mistakes, get your own information downloaded so that you can read the tides properly. On some of the apps there was no, I did a search and there was no information on the channel, on this channel. So. But it's a pretty small channel, it's only an eighth of a mile wide. Incidentally, it's 300 feet deep in places. And this fjord, I believe, is 1,000 feet deep. It's probably all... That's where we came from, through that narrows right there. That's where we're going, up the fjord. We got to make a little bit of a left-hand turn here. Talk to you later. Yeah, we're inside the fjord, and the water is kind of a greeny blue. It's changed color. I guess from the minerals and from the mountains, maybe glacier water mixed with ocean water. Changes color. Definitely greener than it was. It was black back there. This is about almost halfway up the fjord. We're making good time. We got lots of sail up, no motors on. We're going over there somewhere. Give you a panorama. Some snow on top of the mountains. There's a high peak over there. And that's where we came from. The sun is peeking through, high in the sky still. I don't know, around 4-ish. Beautiful in here. So we're about 20 miles inland off of the ocean in the fjord. It's called Bute Inlet. It's gorgeous. And the crew is here steering the boat. Say hi, Nick.
Hello, guys. Staying in the now, we said.
Yeah, staying in the now.
Staying in the now. Sailing time.
See, it's easy to stay in the now with the sails up, the wind blowing behind you,
Oh yeah.
and this gorgeous scenery. Whoa! How can you not be in the now here? Talk to you soon. We got an anchorage up here. I'll take some pictures when we get to it. So we're on the dock at Oxford Bay. There's a whole bunch of grizzly tours here, the natives said, and the salmon tours. And there's a bunch of history over here on this side. I guess they had a railroad here one time. Wow, look at the logging. And there was a big community at one time. Yeah. Bute Inlet. Oxford Bay. I'll give you a little panorama. It's hard to get all these mountains in, you need a wide angle. We just saw a grizzly bear over on the beach. He's gone already. Wasn't quick enough with the camera. Might see him later. And there's the hatch salmon here. And that's their brooding farm over there on the other side. In the mountains around the channel. It's gorgeous, eh? It's gorgeous. Yeah, they have picnic tables here for the people that come on tours. And there's Malaya on the dock. Just back up here. We had a nice downwind sail on the way in. Amazing. The raw nature, it's just amazing. The tide's coming up still. It's got another 2 or 3 feet. You can see there on the logs. Yeah. So he had the tide with us on the way in. That 16 miles or 20 miles. We did it in around under 4 hours, so we made good time. And it's called Homako Wildlife and Culture Tours. Caution, bears in the area, Oxford Bay. So we just left our anchorage. We're halfway up Bute Ford, Ford or Inlet, Bute Inlet. Apparently, they feed the bears a little salmon to keep them around here, so they can do grizzly bear tours as well as salmon tours, which is amazing. But I guess you're going to feed them to keep them here, otherwise they go high up in the mountains. I give them natural food, salmon, that's their favorite. be like eating cake every day for us. Yeah? Hey, when the grizzly bear eats salmon every day, that's like if we ate cake every day. That's down, that's west. We left the genie out of the bottle! Nice 4-knot breeze. Feels it beautiful. It's a big kite. Well, check how fast we're going. Get back to you. 4 miles. Genie is flying. The wind is about 10-12 knots. Any more, I'm going to pull it down. We're pushing it now. We're living on the edge again, gee whiz. But the boat's stable. Yeah, it's driving the nose into the waves a little bit, but not bad. They say the wind can funnel and push the nose under if it's really strong. I seen a monohull in a race turtle went in for in with the spinnaker. The nose dug in and the back end of the boat flipped right upside down. But he was probably 24 knots. Too much for a spinnaker. And then you could rip it. I don't want to do that. Now the wind's settling down again. So we're okay. Just drop maybe 5-6 knots. But we just measured and it was 10. Haven't had much experience on a long run. You know, we went maybe 6 miles over by Ladysmith. This is a 20-mile run, so it'll teach us lots. And we're flying a little bit to port. Because we want to point the boat where we're going, not just sail. We want to also, I said yesterday, you know, anybody can sail, but if you sail to a destination, that's a whole different ball of wax. Now you got to figure out how to tack just right, get your angles all right. And yeah, sometimes you got to make an extra tack because you didn't calculate right, or like that. Racers know about that. But yeah, she's a big kite. You can see the spinnaker sock at the top. You can douse them pretty quick with the sock if the wind's not too strong. Anyway, we're sailing, guys. John's in his happy place. We're about 4 miles from where we were last time. We still got the spinnaker up. And yeah, it's beautiful in here, so I turned the camera on. The clouds on the mountain. Sun is shining up there on the mountain. Beautiful valleys. That's where we came from back there. That's where we're going. This is the Bute Fjord, the Bute Inlet. We're probably about... Oh, look at this guy in the kitchen.
Hello! Mary's in the kitchen and just making some spaghetti, yeah?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Yeah. So... we have a new Italian cook. Make a spaghetti. Talk to you soon. Yeah, we made it to the end of Bute Fjord, or Bute Inlet, as they call it. Yeah, a little dirt on the lens there. That's one river, the Pegon, and the Pegon's down there, and I'm not sure, I have to get the name for you on the other one. There's two rivers, one big one here, a small creek in the middle, and a big river over there. So we'll probably get in a dinghy and go up the river a little bit just to see what it's like. Do a little exploring. But isn't this panorama amazing? The water, as you notice, is a different color. We figure it's a lot of fresh water in this ocean water mixed bracken water, or whatever they call it. There was some machines over there working. I think they're building roads for the logging trucks. So there's some logging roads in here. We're 52 miles into the Canadian West Coast. So there's some pilings over there. There was maybe a dock, or they use them to tie logs up. And these mountains are just gorgeous. Yeah. I believe that's still the Rocky Mountains, this range of coastal mountains. Pretty amazing. Hardly any wind. Cloudy. Sun's been poking out every once in a while just to keep it warm enough for us. It's probably about, I don't know, 16, 17 degrees feels like. I'll take a check later. Maybe a 2-knot breeze coming in here. There's not much shelter for anchoring for a sailboat, so we're probably going to get rocked to sleep tonight a little bit. But that's okay. We were last night and it didn't bother us too much. Grizzly bear country, folks. We have to be careful. Talk to you later. Yeah, it's about 7:30, 8 o'clock. And we're in the bottom of the fjord, but look at this. We have a fog. Was much worse earlier, but it's pretty thick down there. You can see the tops of the mountains. It's kind of cool with this soft cloud all around us. Amazing. Nature's amazing. The river valley is over there. These mountains. You can see the top, a little bit of sun poking through up above. Hoping that this gets burned off so we can go and investigate and explore the river. Well, we'll see. But yeah, there's a little red. This water is kind of gray. I tasted it and it's hardly any salt. It's brackish water. Mostly mountain water from the ice and snow in the rivers. Talk to you later. We're going to have some breakfast now.
In the high tide, the water now flows from the bay, from the channels over here. Now you see how it flows towards the little the little lake, who is not so little, and fills it further up. And then in the low tide, when that one is filled up, then it flows.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I think we'll cut it off here. Sorry the videos are getting a little long, 20 minutes, but yeah, that was the whole of Bute Fjord, so, you know, yeah, we had a good trip in there and back out to Big Bay. Yeah, we got some awesome shots of the mountains and stuff, so see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I enjoyed doing it for you.